Hello guys, I'm Hasan Shakur and I'm from Cad Gizmo. Friends, this is our part 2 of Fillet and Chamfer command. In the first part, we see the Fillet command. Now in this lesson, we see the Chamfer command in Autocad 2021. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. Friends, you can find this tool from the Home tab and from the Modify panel. And here is your Chamfer tool. In this way, you can get this tool from here. So, bevel or chamfer are the edges of two 2D objects or the adjacent faces of 3D solid. And we define the chamfer or bevel as an angled line that meet the endpoint of the two straight 2D objects. And in the chamfer, you give the distance and angles that you specify in the order that you select the objects. Now we see the example. If I make this rectangle, now if I want to apply the chamfer here, and for that CHA and press enter. Now specify the distance, and for that type D and enter. This is very important to understand that here you specify the order distance. So keep in mind what is your first order distance and what is your second order distance. Now I give my distance 0.5 to first order and press enter. Now I give 0.1 unit to the second order and press enter. And this is my first order line and this is my second order line. So in this way, this is 1 unit and this is 0.5 unit. So in this way you can make your chamfer. If I chamfer again and give the order 0.8 unit for both, and if I click, so it chamfer this geometry according to 0.8 unit from this order and 0.8 on this second order. So in this way you can chamfer your geometry. Now we see the example of polyline, and for that draw a polyline or draw a rectangle which is on polyline. And to apply the chamfer, press CHA and enter. Now select the polyline. Now give the distance 0.45 units for both sides and select the polyline. In this way you can chamfer your geometry. Now we see this example again. Type CHA, enter, select polyline, select distance, and here you can type 0.15 units for both sides and select your geometry. In this way you can draw your geometry on chamfer. Now this is the geometry. Here we apply the angle method, and if I want my line on 45 degree and up to the length of 1 unit, and for that type CHA, enter, angle, and now specify the length of first line, and here you can give 1 units and enter. Now specify the angle, type 45 and press enter. Now select your desired line. Now it is showing chamfer distance is too long. We check our distance and it is up to 0.8. So we type chamfer and press A for angle, specify the length 0.5 units and press enter, and give the angle 45 degree and press enter. Now select the line, and here you can see the change. Now we see the angle and the distance. To check the angle, click on this line and click on this line, and here it is showing 45 degree. Now we check the length. It is 0.5 unit, which we give to this angle geometry. So in this way you can use your chamfer. One thing you can note in the chamfer, if you give same distance that look like this, if you not give the same distance, then it is look like this geometry. So this is the difference of order. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment, and guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.